Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this small, thin sign that I got from Dollar Tree. And the first thing I'm going to do is take that hanger off, and then I'm going to give it a good coat of white acrylic paint. Once I have it all painted and the paint has all dried, I'm going to take and put a good coat of Mod Podge on, and then I'm going to let that Mod Podge dry. So I'm going to make sure that I don't miss any spots on this when I do the Mod Podge, because we're going to use the iron method with a napkin. So I want to make sure that everything gets stuck really well. Once I have that all on and it is all dry, I'm going to take my first napkin, and it's this striped napkin. I'm going to line it up to where I want it. And then I'm going to lay a piece of parchment paper over the top of it, and then I'm going to iron that down. Making sure that I iron it really well, making sure I don't miss any spots. And then I'm going to take my sander and sand off all of the excess. So I'm just making sure that it's all stuck well, and then I'm just going to use that little sander and sand off all of the excess paper. Once I have that all sanded off, I'm going to use a different napkin that has these stars on it, and I'm going to peel apart the layers. And I did that on the first one too, just not on camera. And I couldn't get it apart with my fingers, so I'm just going to put a piece of tape on either side and just pull it apart that way. It just makes it so much easier. Once I have it all pulled apart, I'm going to take some of that blue with the stars on it, and I'm going to place that at the top of my napkin, just meeting the other one. And then I'm going to use the same method with some parchment paper. And then I'm going to iron that down as well. Just give that a quick iron. Make sure it's stuck really well. And again, I'm just going to take the sander and sand off all of the excess. Once I have that all sanded, I have this star. It's a wooden star. And I'm going to paint this with some white paint. So just a quick coat of the white acrylic paint. You could use chalk paint if you have that. Once I have that all painted and it's all dry, I'm going to put the hanger back on. So I'm just going to push it right through the front like it was on either side. And now I have the little hanger, and I'm going to take that star that I just painted, and I'm going to glue that right to the center of that blue and white star napkin up at the top. And make sure that I get it centered. And then I thought it was really cute as is, and I was going to leave it that way, but then I thought, maybe it needs something else. So I grabbed my wooden letters that I had from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put them on my paint mat here on a piece of tape. Once I have them taped down, I'm going to give them all a coat of blue paint, and I just used a blue paint that matched my blue and white napkin. Once I had those all painted and they were dry, I'm just going to set these all on the bottom half of this. I wasn't really sure how I wanted to set them, if I wanted to do them a little crooked, but I decided that I wanted to do them straight. So I even them in between each of the lines on the stripes, and then I'm just going to glue those right in place. And I'm just eyeballing this, no measuring or anything. And the last one, and that is it. I think this project turned out so super cute. It was really, really easy, and almost everything came from the Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.